Why do you want to marry my sister?
I love your sister so much. And I see her as somebody I want to build my future with.
Ekeze, are you mad? Eh? Are you supposed to be questioning this young man here? I am your elder brother. It's my right to question this man, not you now. Ah, brother, you are here.
God will punish you.
Brother, fire you. You are mad.
See, Baba, you will be snowman for us. Might be snowman for one side.
If that your hand touch me again, I will slap you. You will know that I'm your elder brother.
Slap me?
Yes.
If you come out and try this thing, they say I'll tell my boys to run and tell you.
Ekeze, OMB, brother, what is the meaning of all this nonsense? No, what is the meaning of all this drama? Sit down!
I don't want trouble.
Since we lost our parents, I have been trying as the eldest son of this family to put everybody together. Yes. So all you do is to embarrass me. You don't even have respect for my presence here. You don't even have respect for our prospective in-law.
Is this same character you guys exhibited? That's when I could not hold on to a single suitor. Not one, not two, four. You guys chase them away with this character you guys are exhibiting. Now brought one now. Give him list, let him do the needful. No! You should do what you have to do so I can follow him as my husband. I know everybody have grace in this house. And everybody have their madness. Even me, you know me. I get my scon. So please, let everybody respect themselves and stay in their lane. I beg. I think I'll beg you now.
Isioma! If I hear you well, you are now indirectly saying I am mad.
Your own a lie.
No, Isioma, is that what you are saying? That I, your elder brother, is mad? Everybody go down your knees. Brother, she's not lying now. She's not lying. I go crazy. Everybody go down your knees. Are you okay? Go down your knees. I said everybody. I said go down your knees.
Sir, I'm not a member of this family now.
Go down your knees.
Yeah.
You crazy?
Yes.
You say you're not a member of this family.
Yes.
And you want to get married to my sister. Eh? I will forcefully make you a member of this family. Yeah. Are you getting it? Okay, so go and lock that door.
Jesus!
Sit down. Where is this man? Are you okay? Sorry. Look for this man.
The blood of Jesus.
Thank you for saving me. Thank you, my Lord. Thank you for saving me.